Cancers. Answers. Put them together and you get Cancers, a Kimmel Cancer Center series intended to introduce the doctors, scientists, and nurses of Johns Hopkins who work every day in the battle against cancer. Cancers. Meet the experts.
It's every parent's worst fear. Their child is diagnosed with cancer. I'm Don Small, Director of Pediatric Oncology here at the Johns Hopkins Kimmel Cancer Center. Compared to adult cancers, we work with fewer research dollars and smaller scale clinical trials in the world of children's cancer. The good news is we've come a long way in treating with positive results children who suffer from certain leukemias. Other types of pediatric cancers, like brain and bone cancers, don't respond as well to current therapies, and we're currently working on developing better tools that will help us predict who will respond to certain treatments and why others do not. We think those answers lie in our genetic code. Our genes, after all, guide each cell in our bodies. An incorrect sequence in the genetic alphabet of a cell leads to cancer. Learning about the incorrect sequences, known as mutations, could provide clues to help us develop new treatments for childhood cancers. Errors in the genetic code in a gene we clone called FLT3 occur frequently in acute myeloid leukemia. Patients with this error don't respond well to current therapy. But now at Johns Hopkins and in cancer centers across the country and actually all over the world, newly designed drugs targeting this protein are currently being tested. We're also working to make bone marrow transplant an option to thousands of pediatric leukemia patients who do not have a perfect match donor. Bone marrow from a donor who's a half match, usually a parent or possibly a sibling, can now be done with good results when certain immune suppressing drugs are given after the transplant. We're also looking at immune therapy with our young patients, stimulating immune systems to fight off tumor cells. As we learn more about how each cancer cell's genetic code is marked, we'll continue to test new ways to alter the course of cancer. The benefits of this research will reward us with curing future generations of children with cancer and decreasing the side effects of current cancer therapies.